Savoy Sharm El Sheikh, Egypt. Situated directly on the beach and in the center of SOHO Square, this five-star resort offers lush tropical surroundings and luxurious rooms with satellite TV. Facilities include 5 swimming pools and water sports activities that include diving and snorkeling. Tennis and squash courts are also available. Savoy Hotel offers 5 different swimming pools, catering to both kids and adults. Relax at any of the 3 adult pools, 2 of which are heated. Children can enjoy 2 different, kid-friendly pools, 1 heated in the wintertime. The main feature is a large, 3-level lagoon-like swimming pool with a shallow area for kids and underwater music. The rocky pool bar is open from morning till sunset for poolside cocktails and refreshing drinks. From the pool, guests can take the path down to Savoy's secluded white night beach. The bright rooms of the Savoy Sharm El Sheikh Hotel enjoy a modern and stylish interior. All rooms have a private balcony or terrace featuring panoramic views of the landscape gardens, the pools, or the Red Sea. Savoy Sharm El Sheikh Hotel's 6 restaurants serve dishes from all over the world, including Asian, Italian, and Mediterranean cuisine. Guests can enjoy a wide variety of drinks, live music, and water pipes at any of the 5 bars. SOHO Square, Sharm El Sheikh, provides entertainment for all tastes with a variety of restaurants, cafes, and bars. Savoy Hotel guests will enjoy the pristine sands and inviting red sea waters at White Night Beach. Sunbathing, beach volleyball, snorkeling, and a range of water sports are available to enjoy, as well as a laid-back beach bar serving snacks and cold drinks. The Aqua Spa and Wellness Center offers a range of health and beauty treatments, including Ayurvedic massages and body exfoliation. There is also a kids club, a games room with table football and darts. The Savoy Arabian Spa offers an array of deluxe spa services provided by qualified therapists, with a diverse offering of relaxing and rejuvenating treatments designed to treat mind, body, and soul, and a first-class facility complete with saunas, steam rooms, and a jacuzzi. The Savoy Arabian Spa is a destination unto itself. Enjoy highly personalized service and treatments utilizing natural Egyptian herbs and essential oils from our team of qualified therapists. Offering a variety of services such as massage, body scrub and wrap, peeling service, and head-to-toe body treatments, Savoy Arabian Spa is a world-class destination for the treatment of mind, body, and soul. In addition to the world-class spa and available treatments at Savoy, our Sharm El Sheikh Fitness Center provides state-of-the-art fitness facilities, exclusively available to guests. Whether you are looking to do some cardio, build strength, gain flexibility, or burn off some calories, the Fitness Center at Savoy offers abundant opportunities to tailor your workout to your personal need. Staffed by a team of professionals, the Fitness Center is a great place to start your day or wind down in the evening. Children ages 4 to 12 will love Savoy Hotel's Kids Club. The fun never ends at our safe and secure paradise just for kids. From the swimming pool and playground, including swings and a trampoline, to indoor entertainment like PlayStation and game rooms, kids won't want to leave. The Kids Club also has access to a kids' corner at White Night Beach. From outstanding pools and beaches to on-site Savoy Hotel activities such as sports, fitness, media, arts, kids programming, sightseeing, and more, the opportunities for adventure and activity at the Savoy are endless. Take advantage of the pools at Savoy, or hit the beach to enjoy the warm sun and seawater. Explore the fitness center, or take part in a little friendly competition on the tennis and squash courts. Enjoy a show, or learn how to scuba dive. However you choose to spend your time at Savoy, you'll be sure to make memories that last a lifetime. Sharm El Sheikh International Airport is 8 kilometers away.